Guys, so we just finished a trip to an elephant sanctuary and it was a beautiful experience. We were really happy with this place. This place is called the Elephant Jungle Sanctuary in Phuket. It's a beautiful place. They don't ride their elephants here. They respect them. You take care of them, you feed them, you wash them, you bathe with them, and it's a great experience, and it's a respectful and responsible way to do tourism with elephants. If you want to support them, please, I encourage you to visit them here in Phuket. Don't support any elephant trekking or any elephant activity that's not natural. These elephants, they're abused here because they can make money out of them. And this is a beautiful place, as you can see. I will show you some video later, but it's beautiful, and it's a great experience to getting in a close contact with these beautiful animals and respect them as well.
As a result of having a false sense of identity, we act in a way that is inappropriate to our natural environment. And when that inappropriate way of action is magnified by a very powerful technology, we swiftly begin to see the results of a profound discord between man and nature. As is well known, we are now in the process of destroying our environment as a result of an attempt to conquer it and master it.